And now for some decadent chocolate chip muffins sprinkled with Maldon salt. Please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell and give it a thumbs up and you will be notified of upcoming videos. I like to gather all my products that I'm going to be using up here in front of me. I have measured 2 cups of flour, which I'm going to put in a sifter because you need to aerate it and sift it. To which I add a pinch of salt, just a little bit, and 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to add 2/3 ounces of cocoa powder to my flour solution here, salt, flour, and cocoa. I'm going to aerate it and it makes the cake nice and fluffy. Then I've added 2 sticks of butter, which are 250 grams, and 1 cup of sugar, and I've used Xyler instead of sugar. First up, I'm going to blend my 2 sticks of butter, and which is at room temperature, and a cup of sugar. I'm gradually going to let it whip up together so it creams together approximately 3 minutes, to which I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use the vanilla bean as well, which will be tastier. When it's nicely creamed, I'm going to add my 2 eggs, which are also at room temperature. The butter is beautifully creamed together. I'm going to add my 2 eggs. I'm going to beat it some more. Beautifully blended, to which I'm going to start adding my flour, a little at a time. And I have half a cup of milk. So I'm going to add a little bit of milk, a little bit of flour. It's beautifully incorporated, so I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. I have these gigantic ones, which are the button ones, but it's fine. We can just mix it slowly and add that to the mixture. My batter is beautiful. I'm going to put them into this. I'm going to half fill them because they'll rise up. Put them into my tins. Because they're popovers, they're a little bit bigger, so I only got 8 muffins versus you would get 12 if you do it in a regular muffin tray. I'm adding these little chocolate rounds to the top. I'm putting like 3 of them to each top just to give it extra chocolatey taste. I'm done with that. I take my Maldon Salt, which is the pink one, and I put just a little sprinkle on top because it gives the sweet, salty crunch to the muffins, and it just brings out, in my opinion, the flavor better. I'm going to put them into my 350-degree oven now to bake for 40 minutes. I have this little baking pin that I use. I don't know if you can see it. And you test the muffins to see if it sticks to the side or not. There goes my timer for 40 minutes. My muffins are all done, and you have to take my word for it. They're absolutely delicious. That salt just does something to them and makes them heavenly. Enjoy and stay safe. Thanks for watching.